Welcome to this video on forming a limited liability company, or LLC, specifically for consultants. We will explore the benefits, dive into some facts, and guide you on why forming an LLC can be the smartest move for your consulting business. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Let's start with understanding the basics. An LLC is a business structure that protects your personal assets in case of business debts or liabilities. Did you know, as per a Small Business Administration report, there were approximately 30.7 million small businesses in the United States last year, and more than a third of these are structured as LLCs. One of the most important reasons for this is the personal asset protection offered by LLCs. If your business is sued, your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are not at risk. The shield provided by an LLC can bring peace of mind, especially in an industry like consulting, where the risk of legal disputes is potentially higher. Another key advantage is pass-through taxation. Earnings from your LLC get reported on your personal tax return, and you pay personal income tax on these earnings. This avoids the corporate double taxation that impacts corporations. In 2020, the average small business owner paid a tax rate of around 15.3%. But as an LLC, the burden of self-employment taxes may be lessened by declaring business income as distributions rather than salary. A smart move for consultants wanting to increase their take-home income. Forming an LLC also adds credibility to your business. It signals to your clients that you are a legitimate business, potentially making it easier to attract high-quality clientele. In fact, according to a 2021 survey, about 62% of customers believe that LLC or INC in a business name builds trust and credibility. Lastly, an LLC offers flexibility in management and operations. Unlike a corporation, there are fewer requirements for meetings, minutes, or resolutions. This can make an LLC an attractive option for consultants who value freedom and simplicity in running their business. If you are a consultant thinking about setting up an LLC, we encourage you to contact our organization for help. Please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an LLC? Which one is your favorite? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.